Sure, brave.
What was that?
Huh?
What was that?
Cranking the car right up and going around the block.
Oh, around the block? I thought we were driving to Dad's.
Oh yeah, let's go. Mate, we got some Maypops on there, so I don't think so. Oh, all right. You ready?
Yeah, crank her up. Then I'll pull this off. All right. Save on the juice. Brakes? Oh, we got brakes.
That's it. That's all we need to do. We're ready to go. Sound like we're driving in a tractor, but hey, we got some custom mufflers on here. Doing 20, third gear. Got some Maypops on here. They feel like Maypops. These tires are doing. No, just the shock. Just the shock. Shock in a pothole. Oh my God! It's been a while, huh? It's so sketchy. I did not think it would feel this sketchy. It's not bad. It's just. It's not a modern car. Riding in Mark's truck, right?
Mark who?
Kohler?
I never rode in his.
I didn't take you for a ride? Maybe that was Aaron. Don't need that. We don't need that. Temperature? Temperature's good. Low pressure, I'm thinking that thing is disintegrating.
Yeah, it looks pretty rough in there.
Oh, there it goes, baby.
We'll pretend like we didn't see that.
Drift the corner?
Please don't. That was not us. Watch out, dogs. This one will hurt.
No high speeds today.
No, I think we need some tires. And I must be getting old like Dad. I was about to say, and maybe some seat belts. That's okay.
We're doing 20. Hear that Muncie?
Yeah. Is that what that is?
Hear how smooth it is though, the motor?
Yeah. Right now we're doing 17, 16.
So my GPS, my GPS.
Speed It's Posi. That thing has got a Posi track. The first time you went to do a burnout, I just heard the clutch grind. I was like, yeah, right. And then all of a sudden it did a two-wheel, just whoa! I was like, what?
It's all about the torques.
All about the horse torques.
Any horsepower, you just gotta have the torques. They get those mag pops that just.
What do you think for the first time running in what, 5 years now?
Listen to it. This is how when it stopped. I don't know why we stopped working on it. Just, I don't know. But this is how it ran. It just cranked right up, smooth.
What do you think that it needs a little carburetor work or what?
Oh yeah, I think carburetor rebuilt and just oil change, and then maybe a good muffler.
What's your plan for it?
Now, I think we just get it going and fix the interior and get the running lights going and some good tires on it. Cruise it and see what we got.
Cool.
See if we can make a road trip out of it.
Yeah, I think so. I'd say that's a successful first trip.
That is, yeah, absolutely. I mean, that puts a smile on my face, puts a smile on his face.
Yeah,
and
that was fun.
That's all you need. You don't need to go 200 miles an hour. You just
Yes, we
get in a sketchy car and it feels like you're
It
doing
feels like
200 miles an hour.
at 23. Oh goodness. Yeah, these are not built for speed
Yet.
yet. Yeah, we have future plans for this car.
Absolutely.
Like Anthony said, the biggest things can be get it running a little better, put some non-Maypops on there, fix the running lights and all that, and then we're gonna take it for a cruise and see how it does.
Absolutely.
So that was it though. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.